Well, in this visual lab, we're gonna have some fun with some things here. First of all, we need to know that we have a zero point 0.5 millivolt current in our bodies, and it's incredible because we have to have that current for our heart to beat. We have to have the electrolytes to make things work, but it's actually a chemical reaction that causes that electrical current. Well, this is a neat little device that we're going to play with here for a little bit. You remember in the rings, whenever we made a complete circuit, this little device doesn't have a battery in it, okay? So, but it takes the 0.5 millivolts of the electricity in our bodies to work. So, whenever I make a connection, okay, whenever I make a complete circuit, then we get the lights and the sound. Now, once again, that's just this device to show us we made a circuit. So, but in order to do this, and in order to make this a lot of fun, we're going to bring in my wife Marlene and my little grandson Kenai. And so to do this, we're going to, it's good. So we're going to show you how this works. And so we can make a circuit. Here we go. Okay, grab it with your other hand. Okay, now touch Kenai. And we can actually run this 5 electric millivolts all the way through all 3 of us. Now, we let go, okay, and we notice that we break the circuit. So that's kind of interesting. So now, Kenai, okay, Kenai is going to help us out. See, we made a circuit because I'm touching his leg, okay. All right, so anywhere where we have the circuit, up and make a circuit. All right, so for example, there's nothing going on there. Then we make a circuit. Now, what does this show? Okay, this really shows the stability of electrons because this current that we have in our bodies has to have to do with the electrons being a negative. Sure is easy to focus on that, and so we have a negative current. We have for every electron, it's a negative, and it's got to combine with a positive to become stable. So we actually create this 0.5 millivolt circuit. We have even in the sodium potassium pump in our bodies, we actually create this chemical reaction. So if you could, if Kenai could put on the safety goggles here, okay. So not that it's dangerous, just that it's fun, okay. So here we go, and all right, Kenai is ready for action. Here we go. All right, and we're going to make a connection. And we show how we run this current all the way through. We break the voltage. Now, okay, now as we touch, okay, and yeah. All right, so now we'll even show you, okay, all right, and okay, all right. Okay, now, why did that work? Because I have the current going within me. I have a complete circuit, okay? So once again, we could take a room of 20 or 30 people and make this circuit, which is what we do in class a lot of times. And when we break that, go ahead and hold that, okay? There we go. All right, okay. Now, once again, whenever I touch the conductivity of somebody else and I make a circuit, if I touch something else but I don't make a circuit, now if we both touch Kenai's head, we actually make a circuit. So it's kind of interesting. All right, so once again, what are we showing? We're showing we're showing the fun of having your grandson in a video, and we're also showing that what we're trying to do show we have a chemical reaction. We'll begin to show you the chemicals that make the 0.5 millivolt current. Yeah, we are. And we'll show you the makes a 0.5 milliwatt currents that actually cause your nodes in your heart to be able to beat and be able to connect the deal. So, one last time. Here we go. You want to hold that? Here we go. Good job. We make the circuit. There we go. 0.5 millivolts of chemical electricity in our bodies. We'll talk about it more later.